Today we are on Book 4, Lesson 44, and this is the first lesson on multiplying two-digit numbers for this year's section. So, we'll start with this information. We have 3 classrooms, and there are 21 kids in each classroom. So we want to find out how many children are there total. Well, we know 3 groups of 21 means we're going to multiply 21 times 3. If we were going to try to do this in our head, we'd want to break this up a little bit. Some of you probably can count by 21, but let's take this example and break it apart. Instead of trying to figure out 21 plus 21 plus 21, what if we say, what's 20 times 3? 20 times 3 is going to give us 60, and then we can take our 1 and say, well, we need 3 groups of that too, so what's 1 times 3? And that would be 3. And then if we take these 2 answers and add them together, we're going to get the answer to 21 times 3. It's going to be 63. Well, from this point forward, we don't draw pictures for this type of problem anymore. First of all, I don't think any of you want to be drawing 2-digit numbers, 21, 61, 85, 3 times, or whatever it is we're multiplying. So we're going to learn how to do this just the straight math algorithm way. So for multiplication of 2-digit numbers, we take it 1 digit at a time. And just like with addition and subtraction, we're going to start with the ones. So I'm going to start by looking at 1 and 3, and I'm going to do 1 times 3. Very much like what I did over here. 1 times 3 gives me 3. I write that number down in my ones place. Then I ignore the 1, and I just do the 3 times the tens place. So now I'm doing 3 times 2. But is this really 2? Am I trying to figure out what 3 groups of 2 is? No, I'm trying to figure out what 3 groups of 20 is, because this 2 is in my tens place. So when I do this, I kind of ignore the 0, because I've already got a digit in my ones place here. So when I do 2 times 3, I'm going to write the answer of 6. But look what place value it goes in. It ends up in the tens place, which is exactly where it needs to be, because I'm doing 20 times 3 instead of 2 times 3. So in your mind, you're thinking about just the basic multiplication tech, 2 times 3. But since we've already multiplied our ones first, we leave the space open in the tens place, which is exactly where our answer needs to go. Okay? Let's get rid of this example and try another one. All right, what if we were to do 42 times 3? 42 times 3. So we start by doing our ones place. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. I don't have any hundreds over here, so I don't have to carry. I can just write my 12, which ends up being 126. Okay? All right, the last type of example we have is an area problem, because we know that in order to find the area of a rectangular shape, we're going to multiply. So in this problem, the walls of the bedroom have already been painted. The rectangular ceiling measures 12 feet by 9 feet. And isn't it interesting when we're writing dimensions, we put a multiplication sign in there, we write 12 by 9. Hey, that looks like we're going to multiply. We are. And the ceiling still needs to be painted a different color. Each quart of paint covers 120 square feet. Is 1 quart of paint enough to paint the ceiling? So 1 quart equals 120 square feet. Well, let's multiply and find out. 12 times 9, you might know your 12 stacks and be able to do that in your head. I kind of hope you can, but just in case, we're going to do this the new way that I've shown you. So 9 times 2 is 18, and we haven't seen this before. If we get a 2-digit number, just like addition, we carry the 1. But here's what I want you to write. I want you to write plus 1 up there, because then when we do our tens digit multiplication, we don't multiply times this number, we add. So I try to teach my students, write the plus 1 until you get in the habit and realize, oh, I'm just adding those. I'm adding that leftover number that I carried, I'm not multiplying it. So 9 times 1 is 9, and then we're going to add our plus 1 here, we get 10. And 12 times 9 is 108. So we have 108 square feet of area that needs painted. 1 quart will cover 120 square feet. Is 1 quart enough? Yes. So the answer the book is looking for would be yes. And if you really want bonus points, we'll turn it into a sentence. Yes, 1 quart is enough. There we go. All right, those are the only examples I have for you, but we've got several lesson practice problems that I want you to try. So if you want to put me on pause once I get these up on the board, you can try these on a whiteboard or a scratch piece of paper, and then hit play when you're ready to go over the answers. Okay, those are your lesson practice problems. Take a couple minutes to solve them and then come back. So we'll start with the first one. We're going to do 2 times 1 gives us 2, and then 2 times 3 gives us 6. So 62 is the answer. This problem. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 120. This problem. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16, so 168. Here we go. We can just double this one. 30 times 2, easy peasy, that's 60. 30 times 4, we just did 30 times 2. This is 2 groups of 30. So the 4 groups of 30 is going to be this twice. Do you follow me there? We have 30 plus 30 makes 60. That's 2 groups. Then we have 30 plus 30 makes 60 on this side. So if I put together 60 and 60, I'm going to get 4 groups of 30, which is 120. 120. Here's a little trick for you. What's anything times 0? 0. Doesn't matter what this number is. I have 0 groups of them. So my answer is 0. That's the end of today's lesson. Your written practice begins on page 284. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.